Cycle 1 primary classes provide a calm learning environment for children aged 5 and 6 years of age. An important part of the Cycle 1 classroom is for children to develop a work ethic with allowances for freedom of choice. Materials are a key component in the Cycle 1 classroom, as children of this age learn through hands-on activities designed to excite the child's interest and motivate them to explore further. Students work individually or in small groups with the help of a teacher and school assistant, with a strong emphasis on developing early literacy and numeracy. Montessori educators believe that the aim of the Cycle 1 environment is to bring the world to the child through an integrated curriculum across the arts, music, physical education, science, geography, history, and a focus on cultures around the world.